Good afternoon everyone, I am Tejashna from Grade 7. I am here to say how we enjoyed our trip to Wonderla. We had enjoyed very much in the Wonderla at 11 o'clock. We started our rides at 11 o'clock. The rides are crazy cars, sky wheel, pendulum, roller coaster, etc. And also we have enjoyed the water rides after the lunch. The water rides are wave pool, lazy river, slides, etc. After the slides, we went to the Galaxy. Galaxy is the most enjoyest moment in our Wonderla trip. In there, we have enjoyed a lot with our friends. Thank you. This is the experience which I had yesterday to the trip of Wonderla. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone, I am Tejashna from Grade 7. I am here to say how we enjoyed our trip to Wonderla. We had enjoyed very much in the Wonderla at 11 o'clock. We started our rides at 11 o'clock. The rides are crazy cars, sky wheel, pendulum, roller coaster, etc. And also we have enjoyed the water rides after the lunch. The water rides are wave pool, lazy river, slides, etc. After the slides, we went to the Galaxy. Galaxy is the most enjoyest moment in our Wonderla trip. In there, we have enjoyed a lot with our friends. Thank you. This is the experience which I had yesterday to the trip of Wonderla. Thank you.
Everyone, I am C. Karthik of Grade 7. Now I am sharing some formulas of laws of exponents. First formula, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. The second formula, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. The third formula, a power m whole n is equals to a power m n. The fourth formula, a power m into b power m is equals to a into b power m. The fifth formula, a power m divided by b power m is equals to a by p power whole is equals to m. The sixth formula is a power 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is K. Manoj. Today I am saying Padyam. Srilu Pungina Jiva Gaddai Palu Parina Bhagya Seemai Parinadi Bhatta Kandam Bhakti Padara Tammuda Veda Shakal Velsa Nichata Adhikayam Balsa Richata Badarayam Parma Rishila Padi Sumati Chellala. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. My name is Radha and I am from Grade 7. Today I am going to tell you about yesterday's report. As you know, yesterday we have enjoyed a lot in Wonderla in Hyderabad. At morning 5:45 am, we assembled at SRV and we started from SRV at 6:20 am. And we have lots of fun in traveling with friends and teachers. And at 8:30 am, we had Vada as our breakfast. After 2 hours, we reached to Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, we have taken group photos in Statue of Equality. And at 11 am, we have entered to Wonderla. And 11:30 am to 1 pm, we have played dry games like giant wheel, roller coaster, and dashing cars. And at 1 pm, we had veg biryani and egg biryani as our breakfast. After lunch, we went to water rides up to 6:30 pm. And at 6:30 pm, we have exited from water park. And at 6:45, we had ice cream as our snack. And 8 pm, we had our supper. And at 10 pm, we have reached to SRV. And 10:30 pm, we reported to our houses. And I thank Ramu sir, principal ma'am, and all teachers who has cooperated for Wonderla. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is K. Manoj. Today I am saying how lungs is work. Lungs will take CO2, lungs will bulge after diaphragm will come upside. Lungs, when CO2 will come outside, lungs will relax. This will come down. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is K. Manoj. Today I am saying yesterday Wonderland Day. Yesterday morning 5:40 we readied. 6 o'clock we started. We went to Wonderla. It's 10:30. We stand outside. Ramsar is taking tickets. We went inside. We taken dress, Wonderla dress. We started trips. First we went October. First we went to Gentville. Again we rounded all trips. Again afternoon we eaten egg rice. Again we went to water rides. Last we went Galaxy. That is last memorable, memorable. That's all. We saw very nice. That is basic, very nice. That is last trip hours. Thank you.
I'm given calculator. Now I am doing question and answers in lesson 10. The lesson name is The Story in the Cricket. First one. How is the Test cricket a united game in any match? Answer. The Test cricket is a united game because it can go if five days still end. Second one. Name some sticks and balls game that witness are hard on. Hockey, cricket and baseball.
My name is Amy Angel. I am studying in grade 7. Now I am going to say some laws of exponents. First one, a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. Second one, a power m divided by a power n equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n equals to a power m into n. A power m into b power m equals to a into b whole power equals to ab power m. A power m divided by b power m equals to a power m divided by b power m equals to a by b whole power. A power 0 equals to 1. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is K. Manoj. Today I am saying how electricity will work. There is two types of electricity. One is magnetic electricity. One is heating energy. Magnetic energy. When power will excess, when power will come, that time we touch wire power will catch our body. After that is one example. Heating energy. When electricity will get heat, will get power like bulb. Thank you.
Of grade 7. Now I am telling laws of exponents. Number 1, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Second one, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Third one, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m minus n. The fourth one, a power m into b power m is equal to ab power m. Fifth one, a power m divided by b power m is equal to ab power m. Sixth one, a power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Grade VII of grade 7. Today I am saying about electricity. First one, magnetic effect. When current flows to wire, magnetic field is produced. Second one, heat effect. When electricity is blocked, heat is produced. Third one, conductors. Which passes the current to another object is called conductor. Insulators. Which not pass the current is another object is called insulators. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Saini Hall of Grade 7 and today I am going to say two questions of English of story of cricket. First one, name some sticks and balls games that have you witnessed or heard of. That means which of the bat and ball are same as like that as cricket, and they are hockey, baseball and polo, and these are etc. These are the main games, look like exactly stick, same stick and bat. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Keshav of grade 7. Now I am reciting physics, electric current. Electricity means flows of electrics. There are two effects of current. Are there magnetic effect, heating effect. Magnetic effect, when current flows to wire, magnetic field in produced. Heating effect, when electricity is blacked, it produces.
Good evening everyone, I am Nandya of grade 7. Now I am here to say about triangle. Triangle is nothing but it is a closed figure and having three vertices, three sides, three angles. The sum of three angles are 180 degrees. There are two types of triangles. First one is based on sides and second one is based on angles. First we will move on to the based on side. First one is equilateral triangle. If the three sides are equal in a triangle, it is called equilateral triangle. If the two sides are equal in a triangle, it is called isosceles triangle. And if the three sides are different, it is called scalene triangle. Next, we will move on to the based on angles. First one is acute angle triangle. If the triangle is more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees, it is called acute angle triangle. Next, the one of the angle is 90 degrees, it is called right angle triangle. If one of the angle is more than 90 and less than 180, it is called acute angle triangle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Sana of grade 7. Today I am going to say about triangles. Based on side, equivalent triangle. If all sides should be equal is called equivalent triangle. Isosceles triangle. If two sides should be equal is called isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. All sides should be different is called scalene triangle. Based on angles. Acute angle triangle. If angle should be above than 90 degrees is called acute angle triangle. Right angle. If angle should be 90 degrees is called right angle. Obtuse angle. Angle should be below than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ramcharan. Now I am going to say inhale and exhale. Inhale means when we'll take inside breathe, lungs will go down and diaphragm also will go down. When exhale means when we'll release carbon dioxide, lungs will grow up and diaphragm also will come up. And one example, I am taking breath. See, coming up and releasing down. And this is also that one only. Lungs and inhale and exhale. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Kemant of Grade 7. Today I am going to say about understanding media. Media is nothing but a platform where we can get information around us. Second one, there are two types of medias called print media and electronic media. Print media is nothing but printed materials and it is cheap cost. Newspaper, example, newspaper, books and magazines. Second one, electronic media. Electronic media is nothing but where we can see or listen through a video called electronic media. Examples, TV, mobiles and so on. Thank you.
Good afternoon everybody. I am Nikhil Kumar of grade 7. Now I am going to say about physics. Electric current may false electrics. There are effects of currents. There are two effects. Magnetic effects and heating effects. Magnetic effect, when current was wire, magnet field is product. Heating effect, when electricity is blocked, heating is provided. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. My name is B. Hemant of grade 7. I am saying the laws of exponents. A power m plus a power n is equals a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is equals a power m into n. A power m into b power m is equals a into b power m is equals a b power m. A power m divided by b power m is equals a by b power m is equals ab whole power m. A power 0 is equals 1. Minus 1 even number 1. Minus 1 odd number 1. 0 into a is equals 0. 0 by a is equals 0. A by 0 is equals 0 is not defined. Thank you. Have a nice.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tiprana of grade 7. I am going to tell about lungs. Lungs we will breathe inside. How you know? We will breathe O2 means it means oxygen and we release CO2 means carbon dioxide. There are two processes when we inhale and exhalation and inhalation. Now we see the inhalation. Now this is inhalation. When this is called diaphragm. And this is called ribs. Ribs will protect the lungs. And this is called lungs. And this is the pipe. The O2 will come inside. It will come of air inside. Then diaphragm will moves down. And ribs will come out. Ribs come out. And this process is called inhalation. We will understand that it is inhalation. Now next we will see exhalation. In exhalation we will release CO2. Now this is diaphragm. In exhalation, diaphragm will move back. And ribs will come inside. And this process is called exhalation. You can take experiment also. When we breathe, lungs are coming to, ribs are coming up. Means in exhalation it's coming up. When we are exhalation, lungs are coming inside, going inside. Lungs are going inside. Then this process is called exhalation. That's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Tejas from grade 7. Now I am here to say about 6 laws of exponents. First one, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Second one, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Third one, a power whole m is equals to a power m into n. Fourth one, A power m into b power m is equals to a into b whole power m. A power m divided by b power m is equals to a power m by b power m is equals to a by b whole power m. Sixth one, a power 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Sharad from Grade 7. Now I am going to say about lungs. These are the lungs. You know how we take the breath inside. The oxygen will come from the nose to inside with the help of oesophagus. It will come and it will reach us to the lungs. While we are taking breath inside means the ribs are it's ribs. Ribs will protect from the lungs. Ribs will protect the lungs. The ribs, while we are taking oxygen inside, the ribs will come upside. Upside. This is diaphragm. This is called diaphragm. While we are taking oxygen inside the diaphragm, this one will be coming upside. And when we are releasing the CO2, the diaphragm will be coming down. The diaphragm will be coming down like this. It will come. And this is the oesophagus. Windpipe. With the windpipe, oxygen will be coming inside. And this is about lungs. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Saini Hall of Grade 7 and today I am going to say a few words about Hampi. Hampi is an ancient village in South India, state of Karnataka. It is dotted with numerous required temples complexes from the Vijayanagara Empire. On the south bank of river Tungabhadra is the 7th century Hindu Virupaksha temple near received Hampi Bazaar. A carved stone chariot stands in front of a huge vital temple site. Southeast of Hampi, Daroji Bear Sanctuary is the home to India's South Bear, and it is the one of the famous temple to visit and for the tourist area. And it is Hampi is one of the temple was printed in the rupees 50 note. Thank you.
Today I am going to say some Telugu poems. శ్రీలు పొంగిన జీవగడ్డై పాలు పాలిన భాగ్యశ్రీమ వడిదనవి ఏ భరత కండ భక్తి పాడర తమ్ముడా వేదశాఖలు వెలసెనిచ్చట ఆది కావ్యం భరణనిచ్చట బాదరాయణ వరము ఋషులకు పాదు సుమ్మిది చెల్లగా విపిన బంధు వృక్షనిచ్చట ఉపనిషత్తుల పొలికెనిచ్చట ఉపుల తలము ఉస్తరించట విముల తలం మీది తమ్ముడా. థ్యాంక్
శుభమంతనం అందరికీ. నేను శ్రేష్ఠ 7వ తరగతి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి శతకశుద్ధ పాఠంలో నుంచి ఒక పద్యం చెప్పడానికి మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాను. ధనముదమ్ము చేత దానమైపోయి పేదవాడు పడే బాధ కనుక కష్టపెట్టేవాడు కనకారముండ కలకాదు రావికట్టి మాట.
Now I am telling triangle scientific property. Triangle is a closed rectangle having 3 sides, vertices and like segments. There are 3 types of triangles based on sides. Equilateral triangle, scalar triangle, isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, the one of the angles should be 90. If all the sides are equal, then it is called an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is called an isosceles triangle. Scalar triangle, if all the sides are different, then it is called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Type based on angles. There are 3 types of angles: is more than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Grade VII. I am going to tell about triangle. Triangle is a closed figure and it has 3 angles and 3 vertices. And now I am going to say based on sides. There are 3 types of sides. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if all the sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. The 2 sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Next one, scalar triangle. All sides are different, then it is called scalar triangle. Now we completed based on sides. Now we will move to based on angles. In based on angles there are 3 types: acute angle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle. First one, acute angle. All the sides are less than 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle triangle. Second one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means if the one angle should be 90 degrees. Then third one, obtuse angle. Right angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means if the one angle should be more than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle triangle.
Good evening everyone, I am Grade VII. Today I am saying Telugu poem. ధనమదము చేత దానం ఉండైపోయే పేదవాడు పడేడు బాధ గనక కష్టపెట్టువారు కలకాలం ముందర కళ్ళగాదు రైకండి మాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నేను జీ చరిత్ 7వ తరగతి నుంచి ఒక పద్యం చెప్పడానికి మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాను. ఆ కొన్న కూడే అమృతము తాగొంకక నిచ్చువాడే దాత దరిద్రన్ సో కోర్చువాడే మనుజుడు తేకువ కగవాడే వంశ తెగకుడు సుమతి. దీని సారాంశం వచ్చేసి, మనం చాలా ఆకలితో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏది తిన్నా మనకు అమృతంలా అనిపిస్తుంది. అలాగే ఏది దాచుకోకుండా అన్ని దానం చేసేవాడే ఈ భూమిపై నిజమైన దాత. సోకొచ్చువాడే మనుజుడు అనగా చాలా ఓపిక గలవాడే ఈ భూమిపైన నిజమైన మనిషి. తేకువ గలవాడే వంశ తెగకుడు సుమతి అంటే ధైర్యం గలవాడే వంశాన్ని నిలబెట్టగలడు అని అర్థం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ramcharan. Now I am going to say triangle. A triangle is closed figure having 3 sides. Types of triangles. Based on sides there are 3 types. Based on the sides. One is equilateral triangle, one is isosceles triangle, one is scale triangle. Equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal, then it is called equilateral isosceles triangle. Scale triangle. If all the sides are different, then it is called a scale triangle. Based on angles, triangle are 3. There are triangle are 3 types based on angles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. If all the angles more than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle triangle, right angle triangle. If one of the angles should be 90 degrees, then it is called right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నేను వెన్నెల 7వ తరగతి నుంచి. నేను ఇప్పుడు పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఆ కొన్న కూడే అమృతము దా గొంకగా నిచ్చువాడే దాత దరిద్రిన్ సో కూర్చువాడే మనుజుడు తేకోగలవాడే వంశతిలకుడు సుమతి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone. My name is Kemuj. Today I am saying poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but my mother said that kind is good and is food, and it eats insects for its food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I stand aside, watch him pass, and tell myself there is no mistake. They stay humble garden snake. Thank you.
My name is PM Reddy. I am training center. Now I am reciting Telugu poem. ఆ కొండప్పుడు ఎంబృత్యం ఆ గంగకు నిచ్చెను వాడ తాతరాత్రి సిరి కూర్చువాడే మనుజుడు టేకువాడైన వాడే వంశతిలకుడు సుమతి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు ఎన్ చైత్ర. నేను ఇప్పుడు పద్యాలను చెప్పబోతున్నాను. కొన్ని కూడే అమృతము తాకోక నిచ్చి వాడే తాత దరిద్ర సోకూర్చు వాడే మనుజుడు తేకుల గలవాడే వంశతిలకుడు సుమతి. తన మందుల చేత దానమైపోయి పేదవాడు పదెదు బాధ గనక కష్టపెట్టువాడు కనకాడ ముందుర కాలగదు రావి కంటి మాట.
Good evening to one and all. I am B. Chandra of Grade 7. Now I am explaining about Hampi. Hampi is an Indonesian village in the South Indian state of Karnataka. It's dotted with numerous Jain temple complex from the Vijayendra Empire. On the south bank of river Tungabhadra is the 7th country Hindu Virupaksha temple near the Hampi Bazaar. Thank you.
Everyone, good evening everyone. My name is Ramchan. Now I am reciting laws of explanation. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. A power m into b power m is equals to b power m is equals to ab whole power m. A power m divided by b power m is equals to ab divided whole power m. A power 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
అందరికి శుభోదయం. నా పేరు యు ప్రణయ్. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నా. ఇప్పుడు నేను పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నా. తన మగం చేత దానమైపోయి పేదవాడు పడే బాధ అంటే కష్టపెట్టేవారు కలకాలం ఉందర కలగాదు రవిగంటి మాట. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone. I am KKS of Grade 7. Now I am telling Telugu poem. తన మదము చేత తన ఉండిపోయే పేదవాడు పడే బాధ కనుక కష్టపెట్టే వారు కలకాలం ఎందర కలలు కాదురా రవికంటి మాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Nikhil Kumar of Grade 7. Now I am going to say about Telugu poem. ధనమందు చేత దానముండైపోడు పేదవాడు కలగా బాధ గడక కష్టపెట్టువారు కలకాలముండురా కలగద రావి కంటి మాట.
Good evening everyone, my name is Neeraj of grade 7. Today I am going to say loss of exponent. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. A power m into b power m is equals to a into b power m, that is equals to ab power m. A power m divided by b power m is equals to a power m divided by b power m, that is equals to ab power m. A power 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు బి హేమంత్. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒక పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఏనుగు బోవ జూచి ధ్వనులెత్తిచి గుక్కలు గుయసాగుచో దాని మనసు కోపపడి దందడి వాడిని వెంబడించినే మానవులందు సజ్జనుడు మత్తులకెందరు గెలిచేయుచో ఆ నరుడల్లి వానరా బదులాడనే ద్వారపూరి నూరుకేసరి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
A warm good evening to everyone. I am Manila from grade 7. I am going to say some formulas in math. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power m whole to the n is equal to a power m into n. A power m into b power m is equal to ab power m. A power m divided by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. Thank you. Good evening everyone. I am Apeksha from grade 7. Now I am going to recite loss of exponents. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A power m whole to the power of n is equals to a power m into n. A power m divided by a power m into a power b power m is equals to ab power whole to the power of m. A power m divided by b power m is equals to a by b whole to the power of m. A power 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు నందిని. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను మీ ముందుకు వచ్చినది శతక పద్యంలో అనే పాఠంలో నుంచి పద్యం చెప్పడానికి. మనకు జిజ్ఞమైన సంగు వాసవికి చెడిపోయే నేనుందా వీడికి జిజ్ఞ జిల్వ గర్వేదురు జయదని లేటు దావను మనకి నచించేదేటి నైతిసా ధనముల నీవే దావదగు దాశరథి కరుణామయుడిది. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone. I am Keshav of grade 7. I am reciting class of exponents. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Third one. A power m whole power n is equal to a power n m into n. Fourth one. A power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Fifth one. A power m divided by b power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Sixth one. A power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Nandini of grade 7. Now I am here to say about Surat. Surat in Gujarat was an emporium for the western trade during the Mughal period. Surat is a gateway for trade in Western Asia via the Gulf or Oman. Surat has also been called the gate to Mecca because many pilgrims sailed from here. There were several shops and wholesale shops for selling cotton textiles. The textiles of Surat became popular because the gold lace borders, zari, and had a market in Western Africa, Europe. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు హర్షిత. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ధనమంతు చేత దానమైపోయి పేదవాడవాడైన బాధ గనుక కష్టపెట్టేవాడు కలకాలం ఉండరా కల కాదు రావి కంటి మాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening everyone. My name is Semima Angel. I am studying in grade 7. Now I am going to say some information about Hampi place which is located in Vijayanagar district, Karnataka state. Hampi is an ancient village in the South India state of Karnataka. It started with numerous ruined temples complex from the Vijayanagar Empire. On the south bank of river Tungabhadra is the 7th century Hindu Virupaksha temple near the Veep Hampi Bazaar. A curved stone Charuti stands in front of huge Vitala temple site southeast of Hampi. The Roji Bear Sanctuary is home to the Indian sloth bear. And weather conditions of Hampi is 35 degrees Celsius, wind east of 6 kilometers per hour, 33% humidity. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Keshav Prasad. I am setting triangle properties. A triangle is a closed figure having three sides. There are three types of triangles based on sides: equivalent triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle. Equivalent triangle, if all the sides are equal, it is called equivalent triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides are equal, is called isosceles triangle. Third one, scalar triangle, if all the sides are different, it is called scalar triangle. Next, there are three types of triangle based on angles: acute angle, triangle. If all the angles more than and less angles more than and less than 90 degrees, it is called acute angle. Right angle, triangle. You word words obtuse triangle, obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, it is called obtuse angle triangle. Thank you.
My name is Kemas. Today I think triangles are its properties. A triangle is supposed to have three sides. Types of triangles based on sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, square triangle. Equilateral triangle, if all the sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two angles are same, is called isosceles triangle. Square triangle, if all the sides are different, is called square triangle. Based on angles, three triangles are three types based on angles. Acute triangle, if all the angles more than 0 and less than 90, is called acute triangle. Acute triangle. Right angle triangle, if one of the angle should be 90, it's called right angle triangle. Obtuse triangle, if any one angle is more than 90, then it's called obtuse triangle. Thank you.
రెండవ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఆర్కొన్న కూడే అమృతము దాగుంక నిచ్చువాడే దాత దరిద్రి సోకూర్చువాడే నాజుడు తేకవ గలవాడే వంశతిలకుడు సుమతి. వనకరి జిక్కమైన శకున్ వాచవిగిన్ జడిపోయి మీరు తావినికి జిక్క జిల్వ గవదగు జిందెను లేదు తావిలో మనకు నశించేదేటి తరమా ఇరు మూటిని గిలువ నైదు సాధనమున నీవే గావదకు దాశడిది కరుణ భయోనిది. ఏనుగు బొవ్వ చూచి ధ్వనులెత్తు చుగుక్కులు గోయసాగుచు దాని మనసు కోపపడి దండడి వాడిని వెంబడించున మానవులందు సజ్జనులు కొందరు గేలి చేయొచ్చు ఆ నరుడల్లి వాండ్ర పదులాడన ధర్మపూరి నురుకేసరి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
శుభ సాయంత్రం. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ధనదమ్ము చేత ధనం లేకపోయి పేదవాడు పడే బాధ కనుక కష్టపెట్టేవాడు కలకాలముగా కళ్ళగాలి రాయి కంటి మాట. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hey everyone, my name is Kemas. Today I am saying పద్యం. దానమతం చేత దానవుడైపోయిన పేదవాడు పడిన బాధ కనుక కష్టపెట్టేవారు కలకాలం ముందురా కలగాదు రవి కంటి మాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, hello everyone. Today I am going to say few parts of lungs. First one is lung, and second one is laxian. Third one is trachea. Fourth one pancreas. Fourth one Fifth one, Valkyria. Sixth one, Alvia. Seventh one, Brochios. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు ఆరాధన రెడ్డి. నేను 7వ తరగతి నుంచి ఈరోజు పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ధనబొమ్మ చేతిలో ధనవాడే పోయే పేదవాడు పడే కష్టం గనక కష్టపెట్టేవాడు కలకాలం ముదురు, ఇది కల కాదు రవికంటి మాట. రెండోసారి, ధనబొమ్మ చేత ధనవాడే పోయే పేదవాడు పడే కష్టం గనక కష్టపెట్టేవాడు కలకాలం ముదురు, ఇది కల కాదు రవికంటి మాట. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone. I am Abhinav of Grade 7. Now I am saying 20 elements. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నేను గాయత్రి 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఒక పద్యాన్ని చెప్పబోతున్నా. పద్యం రాసిన కవి పేరు కంచెల్ల గోపన్న. పద్యం: వనకడి చిక్కే మైనసకు వాచవికం జడిపోయే మిను తామినికి జిక్కె జిల్వ గన్వేదుడు జేందెను లేలో తవినోమనికి నశించేదేటి తరుమాయుడు మూటిని గెల్వనైదు సదానముల నీవే గావదగు దశరథి కరుణాపాయనిది. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening to everyone. I am Shashank Teja of grade 7. Now I am going to say Telugu poem. ధనమదమ్ము చేత దాన ఉండైపోయి పేదవాడు పరడు బాధ గనక కష్టపెట్టువారు కలకాల ముందురా కల్లగాదు రావి కంటి మాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening everyone. I am Abhinav of Grade 7. Now I am saying laws of exponents. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m whole power n is equals to ab whole power m n. A to the power of m into b to the power of m is equals to ab whole power m. A to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equals to a by b whole power m. A to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Thank you.
Aaron, my name is Kevin of grade 7. Today I am going to say a triangle and its property. Triangle is a closed sphere which having three sides. First one, there are three types of triangles based on their sides. First one, equilateral triangle, which the all sides are equal, called equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle, which two sides are equal, called isosceles triangle. Third one, scalene triangle, which all the sides are different, called isosceles triangle. There are three types of triangles based on their angles. Acute angle, less than 90, more than 0 degrees, called acute angle. Second one, right angle, which one of the angles should be 90, called 90 degrees, called right angle. Third one, obtuse angle, which more than 90 degrees, called obtuse angle. Thank you. నా పేరు కేమండి, 7వ తరగతి చెప్తున్నాను. నేను ఈరోజు ఒక పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ధనమదంబు చేత దానముండైపోయి పేదవాడు పడాడు బాధ గనక కష్టపెట్టువాడు కలకాలం ముందర కలగాదు రవి కంటి మాట. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good evening everyone. I am Gayatri of grade 7. Today I am going to say about media. What is media? The system and organization of communicate which is spread through information through a large number of people. It's called media. Classification of medias. There are two types of media: print media and electronic media. Print media means the mass communication which is printed publications such as newspaper, magazines, books, etc. Electronic media. Electronic media is category of media through which one can spread information or communicate to a mass of people through electronic devices. It's called electronic devices such as phones, televisions, radios, etc. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm Suhana of grade 7. I'm here to tell you about types of triangles. Introduction. A triangle is a closed figure having 3 vertices, 3 line segments and 3 angles. Types of triangles can be based by its sides and angles. When a triangle has 3 equal sides, it is known as an equilateral triangle. If it has 2 equal sides, it is known as an isosceles triangle. If it has no equal side, it is known as a scalene triangle. Coming to its angle, the triangle which is
less than 90 degrees is known as acute triangle. When it is 90 degrees, it is known as a right angle triangle. When it is more than 90 degrees, it is known as an obtuse angle triangle. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Myself I am Pushta of grade 7. Today I am going to say about my school. My school name is SRVians International School. It is located in Veerapuram, Gadwal. My school is the first CBSE school in Gadwal. My school has classes from grade 1 to 10. It has a big playground, library, swimming pool, science lab, computer lab. All classrooms of my school are clean and neat. We have digital board in our classrooms. All our teachers are highly educated and they always inspire us and they treat all the students equally. Most important Indian festivals are celebrated in my school. My school is one of the best schools in my town.
Good evening everyone. I am Gayatri of grade 7. Today I am going to say about my school. My school name is SR Vidyaniketan International School. It is located in Veerapuram, Gadwal. In my school there are 1st to 10th classes. In my school so many facilities are there like science lab, computer lab, canteen, playground, dance and music classes, swimming pool, etc. Weekly 2 times there is a math IIT classes and daily PT classes are there. In my school, teachers are from different states. They will guide us, they will inspire us. And every Saturday, there is a cultural activity. This is all about my school. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Nanya of grade 7. Now I am here to say about temple towns and pilgrim centers. Tanjavur is an example of temple town. Rulers built temples to demonstrate their devotion towards various deities. The several temples were built in several places like in Madhya Pradesh, Billaswamin, in Tamil Nadu, Kanchipuram and Madurai, in Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati, in Gujarat, Somnath. Pilgrim centers are also slowly developed into townships. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Atisha from grade 7. Now I am going to tell you about temple towns and pilgrimage centers. Temple towns represent a very important pattern of urbanization, the process by which cities develop. Tanjavur is also an example of temple town. Many people like priests, workers, artisans and craftsmen settled near temples to cater the needs of those of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage centers also turned into townships. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is K. Manoj. Today I am saying temples, about temples. What is temples? Temples are where because of some temples, surrounding areas are developing. Like example, Tirupati and Srisailam, Mantralaya. What is pilgrimage? Pilgrims. Pilgrims, where will traveling? That is language, communication language. That is called pilgrimage. Like example, Badrinath. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Ekarthi grade of grade 7. Today I am saying about Hampi. Hampi is located in the Tungabhadra basin, which formed the nasals of the Vijayanagara Empire found in 1336. The Nandaki runs at Hampi reveal a well-formed city, no mortarity, chemistry agent, which used in the constructions of these walls and the techniques formed was to wedge them together by instructions. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Kento Gradson. Today I am going to say about temple runs. Temple runs, also known as urbanization, king rulers build because of to show other kingdoms to their power and they develop their cities by this temple run process. An example, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu and etc. Thank you.
I am Sharat from grade 7. Now I am saying about Hampi. Hampi is located in Krishna and Brahmaputra basin. The The Hampi Vijayanagaram Empire founded in 1336. Hampi is spread over the 4,100 hectares. The Hampi architecture of Hampi was deceptive. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ramchar. Now I am going to say temples, towns, and pilgrim. What is temple? Because of few temples are populated. Because of few populated temples. Because of the temple, the surrounding Akbar area developed. Example, Srisailam and Tirupati. What is pilgrims? The journey under the taking of the religious movement is called pilgrims. Example, Badrinath, etc. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Sana of Grade 7. Today I am going to say about temple town. Tarajur is an example of temple town. Temple town represents a pattern in urbanization, the process of by city development. Thank you.
Good evening to everybody. My name is Harshita from Grade 7. Now I am saying temple towns. Tangavuru is an example of the temple towns. Temples were often the central and to the economy and the social gain. Pilgrims also flocked to the temples, also made donations. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I am Grade 7. Now I am telling temples and pilgrims. What is temple? Because of the few temples are popular temples. Because of the temple, the surrounding Akbar are developed. Examples: Srisailam and Tirupati. What is pilgrimage? The journey of undertaken of the religious motive is called pilgrimage. Example Badrinath and Badr. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Shrestha of Grade 7 here to say about temple towns. Tanjavuru is an example of temple town. The process by which cities develop. Pilgrims who flock to the temples are also made donations. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Netra of Grade 7. Now I am here to say about temple towns and pilgrimage centers. Tanjavur is also an example of temple town. A large number of people settled near temples and also cater their needs of those pilgrimages. Temples are very important pattern of urbanization, the process known as cities development. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Kesha of Grade 7. I am reciting temple towns and pilgrimage. What is temple? Because of few temples are popular temples. Because of the temple, the surrounding Akbar area developed. Example, Srisailam, Tirupati, etc. What is pilgrimage? The journey undertake of the religious motive is called pilgrimage, etc. Example, Badrinath and etc. Thank you.
My name is Freddy. Now I am telling about temples, towns, and pilgrims. What is temple? Because of a few temples are popular in temples. Because of the temples, the surroundings and developed. Example: Srisailam and Tirupati. What is pilgrim? The journey undertake of the Greece mountain is called pilgrims. Example: Badrinath. Thank you.